Wondering which front-load washing machine brand is the best? Let's figure out the smartest choice for you. We are here to guide you in making the right decision for your front-load washing machine purchase. Let's explore the brands customers avoid due to negative reports of each brand to see why they are being avoided. First one, Hisense front-load washing machine brand faces too much of noise. Second, Midea front-load washing machine brand grapples with poor after-sales service. Third, Voltas Beko front-load washing machine brand encounters customer is not satisfied. Fourth, White Westinghouse front-load washing machine brand confronts warranty issues. And fifth, Electrolux front-load washing machine brand suffers from quality issues, as reported by customers. As a result, customers have strongly opted to avoid these brands. Let's now explore the top 4 recommended front-load washing machine brands, including first one, LG front-load washing machine, second, Samsung front-load washing machine, third, Bosch front-load washing machine, and fourth, IFB front-load washing machine. Let's see the comparison. Let's see how each brand stacks up in providing the ideal capacity for your laundry needs. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. LG, Samsung, Bosch, and IFB unveil front-load washing machines, all offering a uniform 7 kg capacity for optimal and efficient laundry loads. Check the maximum spin level for efficient water extraction and quicker drying. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. LG and Samsung spinning at 1200 rpm, Bosch keeping pace, while IFB offers a substantial 1000 rpm, ensuring efficient water extraction and faster drying for your laundry. Explore the versatility of wash programs tailored to different fabrics and cleaning needs. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. Dive into a world of versatile laundry care with LG and IFB offering 10 distinctive wash programs, Samsung leading the pack with 11 wash programs options, and Bosch setting the bar high with an impressive array of 15 programs, ensuring tailored care for all your laundry needs. Evaluate the convenience of a built-in heater for effective stain removal and hygienic wash cycles. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. LG, Samsung, Bosch, and IFB deliver the efficiency of a built-in heater, ensuring optimal cleaning power and versatility for your laundry needs. Assess energy efficiency to save on utility costs while maintaining optimal performance. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. Embark on an energy-efficient journey with top-notch performance as LG, Samsung, Bosch, and IFB proudly share a 5-star rating, ensuring not only exceptional cleaning but also eco-friendly operation for your peace of mind. Consider the noise level for a quiet laundry experience, especially in shared spaces. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. LG and Bosch offer a serene low noise level, Samsung strikes a harmonious medium, and for those who prefer a bit of white noise, IFB presents a powerful high setting. Choose your perfect match for a quieter laundry routine. Examine the drum material for durability and gentle care of your clothes. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. LG, Samsung, Bosch, and IFB present front-load washing machines equipped with robust stainless steel drums, ensuring not only a sleek design but also the resilience to withstand the test of time for your laundry needs. Look for the tub clean feature, ensuring easy maintenance and preventing mold buildup. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. Benefit from the tub clean feature, a standard offering across LG, Samsung, Bosch, and IFB front-load washing machines, ensuring a clean and fresh drum after every wash for optimal performance. Explore the display type for user-friendly navigation and control of settings. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. All 4 top brands, LG, Samsung, Bosch, and IFB, equip their front-load washing machines with a user-friendly digital LED display, ensuring effortless control and convenience at your fingertips. Ensure peace of mind with the child lock functionality for secure operation. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. Secure your front-load washing machine effortlessly with the child lock function, a standard feature available in models from LG, Samsung, Bosch, and IFB, ensuring peace of mind and a worry-free environment for your family. Check for a stellar rating above 4.4 stars on Amazon, indicating customer satisfaction. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. LG shines at 4,467 ratings, Samsung impresses with 1,269 ratings, Bosch earns acclaim at 3,061 ratings, and IFB stands strong with 2,185 ratings, ensuring you invest in appliances trusted and loved by users worldwide. Evaluate the overall build quality. Considering durability and robust construction, let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. LG, Samsung, and Bosch stand out with the superb build quality rated as excellent, while IFB maintains a commendable, good rating, assuring you a durable and reliable front-load washing machine for exceptional performance. Review the general warranty coverage to secure your investment against potential issues. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. LG, Samsung, and Bosch offer a reliable 2-year general warranty, while IFB takes it a step further with an impressive 4-year coverage, ensuring long-lasting support for your front-load washing machine purchase. Examine the motor warranty for its duration and terms, ensuring long-term reliability. Let me see the comparison of each front-load washing machine. LG and IFB guarantee a robust 10-year motor warranty. Samsung stands out with an impressive 20-year coverage, while Bosch ensures reliability with a commendable 12-year motor warranty, offering you peace of mind for years to come. Let me see the common and good things in all these 4 front-load washing machine brands. Ideal for families with 3 to 4 members, these front-load washing machines cater to the diverse laundry needs of a household, preserving clothes integrity even after 50 washes, as these machines are designed to ensure no damage to your garments over time. Experience germ-free wash cycles, providing a hygienic and clean laundry solution for you and your family. Bid farewell to wrinkles with the wrinkle-reducing feature, ensuring your clothes come out looking fresh and neatly pressed. Benefit from additional features like auto restart and an anti-rust proof body, enhancing the longevity and convenience of your front-load washing machine. Ideal for both homes and laundry shops, these machines cater to domestic and commercial laundry needs, providing versatile functionality. Opt for the most selling front-load washing machine brands online, a testament to their popularity and trust among consumers. Perfect for shared housings, these machines offer efficient and reliable laundry solutions for multiple users. Explore the ideal use of these washing machines for industrial cleaning applications, ensuring powerful cleaning performance in various settings. Achieve a perfect wash for delicate items like sweaters and kids' wear, maintaining the quality and softness of your fabrics. Tailor for the perfect wash of heavy items like jeans and towels, these machines deliver effective cleaning for a variety of materials. Ensure safety with shockproof protection, offering peace of mind during operation and protecting both the machine and its users. Let me see the ratings from purchased customer in online. LG front-load washing machine holds strong 4.5 star rating, and Samsung front-load washing machine holds strong 4.5 star rating. Bosch front-load washing machine holds a strong 4.5 star rating, and IFB front-load washing machine has good 4-star rating. Since online product prices can change daily, you can find the exact model and price of the product in the description below by clicking on the provided link. Included in the box: front-load washing machine, 1 unit of inlet hose, protective rat mash cover, user manual, and warranty card. As we look at the best 4 brands, remember, what's inside the box may differ. Some brands keep it basic, while others add extra stuff. Ensure to check the specifics for each brand, as the accessories included can differ, enhancing your overall quality. Before investing in a front-load washing machine, it's crucial to meticulously assess key factors such as capacity to meet your laundry needs, warranty coverage for both the appliance and its motor, energy efficiency to save on utility costs, and the availability of local service support. We stand by our promise not to review cheap or poorly rated items. Avoid the cheap and short-lived, choose us for quality and value. Your subscription is not just a click, it's a vote of confidence that will help us to create videos for you. Please subscribe.